Part 2 of question 4. It probably does not apply to many, if not all, PHYLA, and possibly also not to many classes within the PHYLA. The footnote reads, the biological term PHYLA singular, PHYLUM, refers to a large group of animals that have the same distinctive body plan. One way that scientists classify all living things is by a 7-step system in which each step is more specific than the one before it. Step 1 is kingdom, the broadest category. Then comes the categories PHYLUM, class, order, family, GENUS, and species. For example, the horse is categorized in the following way: kingdom, ANIMALIA, PHYLUM, CHORDATA, class, MAMMALIA, order, PERISSODACTYLA, family, EQUIDAE, GENUS, EQUUS, species, DABALLUS. End of footnote. Recent research continues to contradict Darwin's theory of common descent. For example, in 2009, an article in New Scientist magazine quoted revolutionary scientist Eric Baptiste as saying, "We have no evidence at all that the tree of life is a reality." The same article quotes revolutionary biologist Michael Rose as saying the tree of life is being politely buried. We all know that. What's less accepted is that our whole fundamental view of biology needs to change. The footnote reads, it should be noted that neither the New Scientist article nor BAPTEST nor ROSE mean to suggest that the theory of evolution is wrong. Their point, rather, is that Darwin's proposed tree of life, a mainstay of his theory, is not supported by the evidence. Such scientists still seek other explanations involving revolution. End of footnote. What about the fossil record? Many scientists point to the fossil record as support for the idea that life emerged from a common origin. They argue, for example, that the fossil record documents the notion that fish became amphibians and reptiles became mammals. What, though, does the fossil evidence really show? Instead of finding the gradual unfolding of life, says revolutionary paleontologist David M. RAUP, what geologists of Darwin's time and geologists of the present day actually find is a highly uneven or jerky record. That is, species appear in the sequence very suddenly, so little or no change during their existence in the record, and they readily go out of the record. In reality, the vast majority of fossils show stability among types of creatures over extensive amounts of time. Further, the evidence does not show them evolving from one type into another. Unique body plans appear suddenly. New features appear suddenly. For example, bats with sonar and echolocation systems appear with no obvious link to a more primitive ancestor. In fact, more than half of all the major divisions of animal life seem to have appeared in a relatively short period of time, because many new and distinct life forms appear so suddenly in the fossil record. Paleontologists refer to this period as the Cambrian explosion. When was the Cambrian period? Let us assume that the estimates of researchers are accurate. In that case, the history of the Earth could be represented by a timeline that stretches the length of a soccer field. 1. At that scale, you would have to walk about 7/8 of the way down the field before you would come to what paleontologists call the Cambrian period 2. During a small segment of that period, the major divisions of animal life show up in the fossil record. How suddenly do they appear? As you walk down the soccer field, all those different creatures pop up in the space of less than one step. The relatively sudden appearance of these diverse life forms is causing some revolutionary researchers to question the traditional version of Darwin's theory. Cambrian explosion today. 2.